Hi, Darlene here again. It is Monday, April 8th, 2019. Darlene's channel at Markward Meadows. Patience is what you learn when you garden. What I'm learning is patience. I want to get out and plant things and work in the dirt. But the last couple of days, it has only done one thing, and that is rain. It is rain, 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 rain. We were out and about today. We went to a neighboring town. My husband is busy selling raffle tickets for our Oregon Hunters Education Instructors Association. We're raffling off a .270 rifle. And he had some people that promised him that they would buy raffle tickets. So we went over there. It's about 90 miles, I guess, one way. Well, where we live, everything's far away. Our closest town to us, well, our very closest one is like 6 miles, but it isn't a very big town. It's only like, I don't know, bigger than us. I don't remember. Anyway, I really didn't have a lot to say today, and the only reason I'm making a video is because I wanted to show you my roses. My husband surprised me. For the last few years, every year, I and my mother-in-law have gotten a dozen roses that my husband purchased from the Hermiston, Oregon Rotary Club. It's one of their fundraisers every year. Well, it didn't dawn on me that April was the month that we usually get that. I was thinking it was closer to Mother's Day. Anyway, he kept it a surprise from me until he picked up the roses from the gentleman that he bought them from in Hermiston and gave them to me. And then we drove over to Heppner, which is where he went to speak to people. And my mother-in-law lives in Lexington, Oregon, not Lexington, Kentucky, Oregon, Lexington, Oregon. And we had lunch with her and one of my husband's sisters. And then we went to the places where he was selling the tickets. The tickets are $10 each. He sold 32 tickets today. Whew, that's a lot. Anyway, that's what we did today. And that's basically all we did. I have some computer work I need to do that'll keep me busy for the rest of the day. And I have a Zoom meeting this evening with some board members, executive board meeting with a board that I'm on. And I like doing the Zoom meetings because we live in all parts of the state and we can get together for our meetings without having to drive anywhere. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and let you go for today. So you will see next the roses. And then I will sign off. Okay, so then, as usual, I'm reminding you to please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the little bell so that you get a notification when I've posted a video. And may the Lord richly bless you in all that you do. Happy gardening.